today we are going to start our new chapter, which is electric current and its effects. So in the previous class we have done this kind of arrangement to check the various kind of objects, that whether the objects are conductor or insulator. So in this arrangement we have used electric cell, bulb and wires. So first question arises, what is cell? Cell is a electric device that convert chemical energy into electric energy. So this is the simple kind of arrangement in which we have tested so many things, that things are conductor or insulators. But sometimes the arrangement become very complex, and to draw that arrangement will become very difficult, and to understand that arrangement become very difficult. So to understand the arrangement in a clearer way or easier way, we use some kind of symbols for electric components. So here we are going to discuss some symbols of electric components. So first component is electric cell. So how can we represent electric cell in a symbolic form? Here this is the symbol of electric cell, in which this longer line and shorter line is used. This longer line represent positive terminal of the cell, and shorter line, which is little bit thick than this positive terminal, is called negative terminal of the cell, and there is some space between these two terminals. So this is the symbol of electric cell. Now next electric component is bulb. So this is the symbol of electric bulb, in which this is the coil kind and this is the glass cover. So this is the symbol of electric bulb. Now in this arrangement we can easily see that the wires are connected with each other. So this is the arrangement with switch in on position. So how can we represent switch in on position in a symbolic form? In symbolic form we use 2 points of wires, and these 2 points connected with a wire with a line. So this is the symbol of switch in on position. Similarly in switch in off position, these 2 points are not connected with each other, and this wire remain open. Now next electric component is battery. So what is battery first? Sometimes in some arrangement we use more than one cell. So in order to use more than one cell, we connect that cells with each other, as positive terminal of one cell connected to the negative terminal of another cell, and again the positive terminal of second cell that get connected with the negative terminal of another cell. So this kind of combination of cells is called battery. So similarly in the case of cell, the symbol is positive and negative terminal, longer line and shorter line. So similarly this is the symbol of first cell, and this cell again connected with the another cell, in which negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal of another cell. And in this way we can arrange so many cells, and we will get the symbol of battery. And the next electric component is wire. In the wire we use simple line, single line, as a symbol of wire. So in this way we have done so many symbols of electric components. So in the next videos we are going to use this symbol to draw some kinds of arrangements. Thank you.